Hi everyone, welcome back. Unity Car. Have you ever imagined that an electric camper tricycle could be more affordable than your mobile phone, yet so stylish and safe that people can't take their eyes off it? Would you believe that such a stunning ride is now available in the market? If not, then stay with this video till the end, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. Stay connected with Unity Car, because today we're bringing you the most thrilling look at the 2025 Jorvik electric folding camper tricycle, and trust me, you're going to fall in love with it. Friends, in 2025, Jorvik has done what no one else could. This isn't just a tricycle, it's a complete style statement. At first glance, its folding design wins hearts. When it transforms into camper mode, it feels like magic unfolding before your eyes. Speaking of the exterior, Jorvik has poured genius into every line and curve. Its aerodynamic frame not only looks fantastic but also slices through the air effortlessly while riding. The side metallic panels shine under the sun like a luxury car. Its large rear wheels are designed not only for balance but also to provide solid grip on every type of road. At the front, the LED headlight unit shines so bright at night, it's like the sun is riding along with you. And that black and red theme, it's a head-turner for both young riders and families alike. What makes this tricycle truly special is its ability to transform into a full camper unit. Yes, you get a stylish three-wheeled vehicle and a folding camper, all in one. When parked and switched to camper mode, people can't help but stop and stare. The specially designed grid piping in the frame not only adds strength but also enhances safety. In today's busy life, this is the ride that fits everywhere, whether you're in the city, a village, on the highway, or in the mountains. And speaking of its weight, it's so light that anyone can easily handle it. This is the kind of tricycle that gives you unbeatable style, safety, and simplicity, all in one. So don't think twice, subscribe to Unity Car right now, because this kind of content, you'll only find it here. 2025 Jorvik Electric Folding Camper Tricycle. It's a style icon, a camper, and so affordable, you won't believe it.